What's good, boss chicks? Come shopping with me. Today, we are going to do some household shopping as well as I'm going to keep my eyes out for anything that's nail related and have a little bit of fun. So, grab your keys, grab your purse, grab your face mask, and let's go. They got school supplies. I got a bunch of hand sanitizer. Girl, we gotta find my favorite coffee. Oh my God. I think it's okay. I haven't had, oh my God, look at the price of my coffee. Yeah, Sonny, I'm just gonna get one. I'm supposed to be stopping drinking coffee. I'm gonna see if I can find me a tea. Let's find me a tea. Um, Mocha. Let's see if I can find me a tea, girl. Gotta get me some shop towels, y'all, because they don't have my favorite ones. So I'm gonna get these. These work. Um, make sure that these are the right ones. So these work really good. And you'll find those in the automotive section, uh, in Walmart. Let's go to Dollar Tree. Thank you. I need crafts. Where's crafts? Hold on, let's go down this way, guys. Let's go see. Okay, so I like these. I like these. Like those, you guys can store your stuff in those. They have a couple of them. So I have a couple of them already. You can use some of these like for your drawer organizers, stuff like that. Um, Even these are really good too. And you get three for the price of one. I need something to put my new acrylic in. Yeah, I needed some more of those. But I need like shelving. I wonder if they have like something I could put on the shelves with. So let's keep going. Here goes some back to school stuff. Let's see if we can find um, like chalk or something. Here's a big thing of Here's a big thing of glue. You can use school glue to make like your peel off base if you're going to be using a bunch of. I'm trying to find some chalk, which might be in the craft section, but this is the back to school section, so I was trying to see what I can find. I love these. These are good organizers for your brushes. Those are pretty awesome. So I'm gonna grab one of those and grab black because that's just what I need. They got a bunch of stuff in boxes that they haven't quite opened. Let's go to the craft section. Cleaning supplies, stationery. Let's try this out. We're gonna look for some. Oh, look at this. Stickers. These can get cut out. There's only one sheet. Those are super cute. You see some chalk or anything of what you were saying. I need some good permanent markers. Would be good for nail art and stuff like that. Look at this mess. There's a whole mess. See what else we can find in here. Let's see. Eyeshadow will be good for pigment. powders. So if I can find one, let's look at these. These are good for acrylics, to make your own acrylics. I'm not gonna make any because I have some. Also, you can use like the makeup brushes. These are really good for dusting off powder. These are great for these are really good for like chrome application. And then of course your makeup wedges is really good too. But I don't see much of anything on this one except like these eyeshadow palettes. These are really good. You want to use those. And as far as like a lot of the nail products, I don't see a whole lot in this one today. These are good, really good glitters. Those are the only colors I see right there. So, and then these are the nail polishes. So I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna see if I can possibly find anything else that I can use. Oh, look guys, they have these too. Like things if you don't have anything like that. I'm gonna go, that's what I got on my list. I got plastic bottles on my list. So I'm gonna go in the other section to look for some plastic bottles. So let's go there. See if we can find any plastic containers or empty bottles that we can use for something. We can use it for something. This is super cute. This is good to keep like your powder in because it has a nice top on it. Little candy jar, you can use that for your monomer or your acrylic powder. You can use either one. Here's an even bigger one. If you just got like one color that you use all the time, like your clear, you put your clear in there. Those are really good for that. A new dry erase board, salt and pepper shakers. Here's some, what are these? These are good. These are really good dapping dishes. Anything like to soak in, and they come and of course in a pack of 4. Those are really good. I don't think I need that though. So I am back from my nail haul, my little Dollar Tree thing, y'all. So I'm back. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Dollar Tree. So let's get into the goodie bag. Okay, so remember when I was telling you guys in store, I grabbed this little pencil holder. All of this. This is really good. It's good for office products. I grabbed some permanent markers to do some nail art with. I also had, now they didn't have much of nothing. You guys saw that. So I just went on ahead and grabbed 3 of the stickers. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I probably do. I don't know. There's some really cute things on that. I like the girly stickers. We're going to see. I'll probably cut out like the unicorns and the stuff that's on there. As well as, don't worry about that. That's just so I can hang some more stuff. I don't know why that was in the bag. These are really good, the little travel bottles. I couldn't find any more of these. I was definitely looking for some more because I love to put like nail polish remover and things like that in there, but I didn't find that. And then you guys saw earlier, I did pick up the big bottle of school glue. If you have any empty polish bottles, you can add some of this and some water into your empty polishes and use that as a peel off base. And hubby picked up some of these. I don't know what I'm going to do with these just yet, but these, I don't know. We'll see. They're small enough. They're glass beads. The one that I went to on this particular haul, I didn't have a whole lot to grab. I didn't show you guys some of the stuff that I had grabbed in my last haul from the Dollar Tree. Don't you sleep on your Dollar Tree. They have a lot of different stuff that you can use for nail art. So be sure to visit your Dollar Tree, or if you don't have a Dollar Tree, visit your Family Dollar. They have a lot of good stuff in there as well. There is some other stuff. The girls want to do some nail art with some of the other items that I picked up before. And yeah, so we're just going to go from there. I'll be on a hunt like every once in a while to go and check it out and see what they have on stock. I love going to Dollar Tree. That's going to be all though, guys, for this particular nail haul. Be sure to go ahead, hit that big thumbs up button, give this video a like. Be sure that you subscribe to this channel, turn on all post notifications so that you don't miss out on every time I upload a video. As well, go ahead, up in that upper left hand corner, be sure you're following me on my social sites, as well as everything will be in the comments down below. That's all for this go around, Boss Chick. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and be blessed.